guys, welcome back to my channel. As I was just about to film this, I realized they didn't even seal this box. They didn't tape it any way. Oh, and it does feel light, so hopefully no one stole anything out of it. We will see. A little concerning. Let's see, we hope this package brightens your day. Put a little card in there. Let me make sure. Oh, that's cute. There's always a pamphlet with some kind of like DIY or something cute you can make. So these are little paper lanterns that you can cut out and to use as some kind of decor. That's kind of cute. So this seems super light. I guess maybe I got more bars this month. Let me know if you guys got this box. Okay, so this should be the October box. I had to go look. So I got 2 samples on top of the Shimmer Laundry Liquid and then Scent Soft. I get that scent a lot. That's okay, I do use them. Then I also got the Shimmer Washer Whiffs, and I got 2 of those. So those just make your, they're like the laundry beads. They make your laundry smell good. Then I received Cider Mill. That is a scent I'm familiar with. A little scent circle. Honey Pear Cider Room Spray. And then a bunch of bars. This is the second month in the row I haven't got the little sample testers that I love oh so much. I don't think I got them last month. And that's like my favorite thing about this subscription, so I don't know. I might start pausing this more often. I don't know. We'll see. The first one is Cedar Cider. That's a nice fall scent. You can definitely smell the cedar in there. This one is Apple and Cinnamon Sticks. I bet that one's pretty good. Yeah. That one's nice. Then we have Bright Cider Life. Ooh, that one's sweeter than I was expecting. That one's my favorite so far. And then we have Walnut Raisin Muffin, which is the scent of the month. Yeah, that one smells pretty good too. Cool. So I got 4 bars, which typically we get 2 to 3, a scent circle, room spray, and then a handful of laundry samples. And that's what I got this month. Hopefully that was everything. I don't know. Let me know. I'm going to go see if anyone else posted their videos, but very strange that it wasn't sealed at all. That was, I'm sure, a mistake. So I will put a link below to the girls' page that I ordered through in case you're interested in a subscription. I also have a link for the coldest water bottle in case you want to try to win one. There's a giveaway link, and then there's also a link to their website with a promo code. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.